Better be late than never. I am here and I'm sorry I'm late. Okay. I know. I'm just, yeah. But anyway, yes, so, Kwezigazi was at the edge of the building. Remember yesterday when Ubab Gumete says that he's going to take Umtana? Now, she was standing at the edge of the building and threatening Uguz Lahlela Pants. Now, the problem is, okay, not the problem, but the advantage was that Unkosi came in on time. And when he got there, then he realized, then he stretched his hand towards Ukwezigazi so that he can be able to pull her back into the building. Now, the problem is, according to her mind, according to her illusion, she can see Ubab Gumede on the side who is actually telling her that umntwana nangu ngiyamlahlela phansi, which is a problem. Now he is saying that if awubatsheli iqiniso, then ngiyomlahla lo mntwana lo. And then now it's a battle of her and her mind, or whatever that she's saying in her mind. You know what? Umntwana angalahleki, angamlahli umntwana. Rather, I tell the truth of what is happening. Now Lehasa walks in with the security, and then that's when they realize ukuthi actually sisenkingeni la uKhwezikazi unenkinga, because if they did not allow him in, they were not even going to know ukuthi we've got a bigger problem than just giving access to Lehasa. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Skeem Samdi Madekwan. Sanbonan absheni molweni minjani hipukila hingongwina. So namuhla ka nongokwa hina wa Skeem Sam hikuma kurusula astamsekangi kahle, looking at the fact that when Ugumete says to Ukhwezi khuluma iqiniso or else ngiyamlahla umntana. Now Lehasa had already arrived. Now Lehasa kept asking, who are you talking to? And what is it that you have done? Then she got to a point where now she was so much on the edge because Ugumete benza ngathi ulahlela umntwana phansi. Then she was like, okay, fine, Lehasa ngiyenzile. And then Lehasa was like, okay, what is it that you have done? And then for some unknown reason, Unkosi got to her first before she could say it, and then besuyambamba ke besubiyela ngapha. Now after that, Lehasa is asking, Lalela, you wanted to tell me something wena. Angeke uvele uthi ngiyenzile bese ungiyeka kanjalo nje. I need to find out what have you done, and I need like full information. Lalela, there was no one who was listening to him. It's like it long will cula lodwa nje. There was no one who was paying attention to him, and Unkosi was just happy with umuntu wakhe at least ubuyele ngakuyena. She did not throw herself down. Meanwhile, on the other hand, Utakaro endlini, she's running pillar to post looking for Umtana, thinking that maybe this is her problem. She's the reason why Umtana elahlekile. And then she's trying to call the police. When she was about to press the number to call the police, then she had Utakaro's Amemezika Malake from one of the rooms. She ran around, couldn't find him, and thought maybe this thing in Zanagu crazy, it's also happening to me. But then she went around and then realized, okay, Umtana Ukona. Then she did not call the police anymore. Anyway, on the other hand, ke love relationship marato. Menier umomaratong, and I think he's moving way too fast. Ooh. Okay, Menier Mahunga deserves to be in love, guys. Like, he is one person that has been through the most and he's been alone for the longest time. Now he deserves to be in love, child. Now, Okari, he is in love with Mama Clement, and it looks so cute. I like it. So now they had this night together, and today in the morning they were just talking about it, and they wanted to kiss, and they were like, no, are we not moving too fast? No. And then they were talking about how they are all adults and they can just start this thing and see to finish. That was so cute. Speaking of cute, there's something that is so uncute. Mr. Kulu, remember, after a conversation with Mr. Q, he got emotional and left the scene, and nobody knew where he was. And upon people checking where he is or what's going on, they couldn't get hold of him. And then he calls Mama Sakamela and say he's in the hospital. It drama.